In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract points from Civil 3D. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find your points, how to target the right set, and how to export them cleanly for use in survey, GIS, or downstream CAD workflows. First, open the Civil 3D drawing that contains the points you want to extract. This should be the file where your survey points or design points already exist. Give the drawing a moment to load and visually confirm you're seeing point markers and labels as expected. A quick zoom to the area of interest helps you make sure you're working with the correct content. If this data is critical, consider working from a copy of the drawing so your source remains untouched. Next, go to Toolspace and choose the Prospector tab. Toolspace is typically docked on the left side of the interface. Prospector is your project browser. It organizes objects like points, point groups, surfaces, and alignments. You'll use it to navigate directly to the points you plan to export without hunting around in model space. Inside Prospector, expand either points or point groups. The points collection lists all individual points in the drawing. Point groups, on the other hand, are curated sets that filter points by criteria such as descriptions, layers, or numbers. If you already have a group that isolates, say, topo shots or control points, selecting that group will make the export focused and consistent. If you want everything, the points collection is your catch-all. Take a moment to confirm the count and names so you're exporting exactly what you need. When you've identified the right item, right-click it and select Export Points. This opens the export dialog where you'll choose how the data is written to a file. Common formats include variations of point number, northing, easting, elevation, and description. Pick the format your downstream software expects, such as a PNEZD or NES style layout, and choose the delimiter that matches your standard, typically comma or space. You can include a header if your recipients prefer column names. Name the file clearly, choose an organized output folder, and be consistent with units and descriptions. Keep in mind the export reflects the drawing's current coordinate system and units, so make sure those are already correct in your source file. A quick review of the preview or settings ensures your fields and order look right before you finalize the export. That's it. Open the drawing, go to Toolspace Prospector, expand points or point groups, and export from the item you need. With these steps, you'll produce a clean point file ready for mapping, staking, or analysis.